guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a $4 unboxing knife I got from Wish. So what's special about this unboxing knife is that it could actually turn into a card, like in this form. And it can turn into an unboxing knife, which is useful because you can just put it in your car, put it in your wallet, put it in your pocket, and it fits right in. So as you guys can see here, I have my Wish wallet here, and you could fit it in perfectly and just get it out. Yeah, so with no further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So yeah. Okay. So as you guys can see, so let's go ahead. So as you guys can see in here, it has some sort of thing in here that like locks it and opens it. So I'm gonna be unlocking it so that I can access the knife. So so it pops right open, and you go like this, and you take this side here, you twist it like that. So you take this side, you twist it like that, and then you take this side, and then you go ahead and go like this, and then you just put it all together. And there you go, you have an unboxing knife that works. So I'm gonna see if it's sharp or not. I have cardboard here, and let's go ahead and try this out. As you guys can see, it's pretty sharp. It's not bad. I mean, it cuts through it. Ooh, look at that. Just look at the damage.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
Yeah, that's a lot of damage. But yeah. So yeah, guys, that wraps up for the short unboxing of the Wish card / unboxing knife. The Wish card, yeah, unboxing knife. And yeah, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and watching it till the end. Until next time, peace out. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for reaching this point in the video. I just wanted to say that we're almost at 300 subs, and if you could subscribe, that would mean the world to me, because we're almost at 300 subs, and I think 300 subs would look cool. So yeah, until next time, peace out.